Decolonization refers to the process of a country or territory gaining independence from colonial rule. In the case of the Malay Peninsula, decolonization was a complex and often contentious process that involved a number of different actors and factors. In this video, we will explore some of the key problems that arose during the decolonization of the Malay Peninsula. One major problem was the presence of multiple colonial powers on the peninsula. The Malay Peninsula was colonized by the British in the 19th century, and after World War II, it came under the influence of the Japanese. After the war, the British returned to the peninsula, but they faced competition from the newly formed Federation of Malaya, which was composed of Malay states that had declared independence from British rule. This led to a number of clashes and tensions between the different parties vying for control of the peninsula. Another problem was the lack of a clear plan for decolonization. The British had promised to grant independence to the Malay states, but they did not have a clear roadmap for how this would be achieved. This led to confusion and uncertainty among the various groups involved, and it contributed to the ongoing tensions and conflicts on the peninsula. Additionally, there were significant cultural and political differences among the various groups on the peninsula. The Malay states were home to a diverse population, including Malays, Chinese, and Indians, and these groups often had different goals and priorities for the future of the peninsula. This made it difficult to reach a consensus on key issues related to decolonization, and it contributed to the ongoing conflicts and tensions. Finally, external factors also played a role in the decolonization process. The Cold War was raging at the time, and both the United States and the Soviet Union were competing for influence in the region. This added another layer of complexity to the decolonization process, as different groups sought to align themselves with one or the other of the superpowers. Overall, the decolonization of the Malay Peninsula was a complex and often contentious process that was influenced by a variety of different factors. Despite these challenges, however, the peninsula eventually achieved independence and is now a sovereign nation.